This video provides instructions on how to add or update device details for the purpose of onboarding or after installation. This step is important as it helps us to quickly identify which device needs attention should an issue arise, or it may be a requirement if you've purchased our devices under a grant program. To get started, log onto your dashboard by going to dashboard.incyt.io or by using the INCYT by LX app. Press the Devices menu item and then Tile View in the drop-down. If your devices are yet to be installed and you are going through the onboarding process, they will appear to all have identical names. To edit the name, click on a device and open the Device Details card. Press the Edit Details button to edit the name. It's good practice to choose a name according to the sensor type and the location, and try to stick to this convention as you add and update devices in your account. For example, you would say Soil Moisture Probe Paddock 1 or Weather Station Field A. If your devices have already been installed, the generic device names will appear according to the sensor type. The next step in the process is to add an installation photo. This should show the installed device with the immediate surrounds, so it's clear the device and cabling have been installed correctly. It's best practice to have the device clearly visible in the image, but not too close up. If you're using the web dashboard, you can upload an installation photo by pressing the image on the device card and choosing a file in a relevant format from your computer. Once you've uploaded, press Save to continue. If you're using the phone app, this image is accessed from the main device details card for the device you want to edit. Again, you can press the generic image of the device and then replace this by using your phone camera to take an installation photo, or by choosing an existing installation photo from your phone gallery. Next, you'll need to confirm the sensor location. From the device details card, click the Get Current Location button or the Map Target symbol to get your current location. Please note you would need your device GPS to be activated for this to work. Alternatively, you can also touch or click on the blue pin and move it around to get accurate location if you think it needs updating. Once you are happy with the device location, press the Update Device Location button. You should then receive the confirmation message on screen that this location has been set. For some sensors, additional parameters may be required. You can access these parameters by pressing the spanner symbol on the top right corner to open the device calibration screen. As an example, for soil moisture probes, these additional parameters would be the soil type and moisture content option. Don't worry, if you don't have this information to hand when editing your device for the first time, you can go back in and add them once you have the relevant inputs. You can also add any notes you wish to record for the device by clicking Add Note. Once you are happy with the device details you have added or updated, press Close.